Everyone, let's start chapter number 6, separation of substances, part 3. Today we will be discussing about separation of solid liquid mixtures. Okay, how we are going to separate solid and liquid mixtures. As it refers means one substance is in solid state and the other one is in liquid state. Okay. Now moving on, the first method we are having is sedimentation and decantation. So let us understand what is sedimentation. Sedimentation is the process of separating insoluble solid components mixed in a liquid by allowing them to settle down at the bottom of the container. Fine. So in this, the insoluble solid components, like if we talk about sand in water, sand is insoluble, so we can separate sand with the help of method sedimentation. Fine. In this method, the mixture is kept undisturbed for some time so that heavier insoluble solid components settle down at the bottom, and these solid components which are insoluble, fine, they form a layer which is called as sediment, and the layer of clear liquid on top of the sediment is called the supernatant liquid. Fine. And sedimentation is then followed by decantation, in which the supernatant liquid is poured out carefully into another container without disturbing the sediment to separate the solid components from the liquid. Fine. Now we want to define decantation. So we may define it as the process of pouring out the layer of clear liquid. We can say it also supernatant liquid without disturbing the sediment is called decantation. Now, this sedimentation and decantation methods are normally, you can see, we are using at home also while washing pulses in water. The upper layer of water that contains the impurities is decanted while the sediments pulses are retained for further use. Moving on to the next one, let us understand this with the help of activity. Now, first of all, aim to separate a mixture of sand and water using sedimentation and decantation method. As I told you, one component is in solid state and the other one is in liquid state. So we can use this method sedimentation and decantation. Then is materials required: 2 beakers, sand, water and glass rod. Fine. Now what is the procedure? You have to take one beaker. This you can see beaker. In one beaker you have to fill it half with water, and then you have to add little sand to it. You can take muddy water also. Fine. Use the glass rod to mix the contents, that is dissolve the sand, but it will not be soluble because it is insoluble, so it will remain suspended in the water. Now keep the beaker undisturbed for some time. Fine. You will notice that the sand particles, you can see, they have settled down at the bottom, and this layer is known as sediment. Fine. And upper one we call as supernatant liquid. Fine. This supernatant liquid we will decant by the process of decantation. Fine. Thank you.